Good morning and welcome to class. Today I am going to teach you about the contextual and textual knowledge. It's a one topic related to the knowledge and curriculum. So first we know about the what is the textual knowledge and what is the contextual knowledge. First we know the meaning and the characteristics. After that we understand the differences between two. So contextual knowledge define the knowledge that is relevant and can be mobilized to understand a given situated decision to problem. Whenever we want to define the problem related to that context that is come into the contextual knowledge by situated, we means in given dated in well specified circumstances. So when we relate the situation and our problem to relate to that context that come into the contextual knowledge, whatever knowledge we have related to that context become the part of that. So contextual knowledge is evoked by situations, events, and loosely tied to a task or goal. It's not necessary every time related to the task or the goal, but it's related to the situations and events. And what is the meaning of textual knowledge? Textual knowledge focuses on the text itself, whereas contextual knowledge focuses on the our surrounding conditions and our environment in which the text was written. So little there is a difference between textual knowledge because the textual knowledge always based upon the text, which means it's related to the textbooks, journal, newspaper. But the contextual knowledge we gain through the our surroundings and our environment. So textual knowledge can be used in all subject area but is best in language, history, literature, science and mathematics. Now we come to the characteristics of textual knowledge. These are some characteristics and it define the textual knowledge in a detail. It means it is a major source in teaching and learning because we use the text, we use the papers, journals, everything in our teaching and learning. So it's related to the textual knowledge and it's related to the teaching and learning. It provides more knowledge. You can get more knowledge through your text, and it provides direct and indirect experience. You can get the direct experience through your text books or text, and you can get the indirect experience on the basis of the that knowledge you develop from the experience. That is the indirect experience also part of textual knowledge. So it provides textual evidence to support an idea or to answer a questions. If we have so many questions in our mind, we can get the answer to our textbooks through our textual material, so we can get the evidence or we have the evidence related to that part. So it provides more comprehensive and logical information because it's a logical because we have the facts, we have the data. So it's not depends upon the memorization, but it's also related to the comprehensive knowledge of our, because we develop these knowledge on the basis of the facts and logic available, or whatever the information we have, we develop our knowledge on the basis of this that come into the textual knowledge. Then what are the differences between contextual knowledge and textual knowledge? First, we come to the characteristics of contextual knowledge. It is related to the context of information, because in this part we just talk about the context information. We talk about the information that regarding to the any particular event or any particular situation. So the context given meaning to a situation or event. Relationship between factors leads to knowledge. Higher order thinking and problem solving skill are encouraged due to the contextual knowledge. We think according to that problem solving our ideas are coming in our mind, so it depends our critical thinking, and it's developed the skill related to the higher order thinking and problem solving. Related the classroom subjects to everyday life. Whatever the subjects we teach our classroom is related to that context, so contextual knowledge is related to the classroom subject. So some differences. One first difference on the context knowledge, knowledge on specific and journal events and situation or context. Any situation or in any context, if we develop the knowledge, that is the contextual knowledge. And preservation of knowledge in the text form. Whatever the knowledge we have in the text form is a part of textual knowledge. Then second one is refers to surrounding of the text or events related to describing the situation. So whatever the text we have and it's described our is situation is related to the contextual knowledge and refers to words and understanding them literally. When the knowledge is related to the literature, it's become the part of the textual knowledge. Third one is textual knowledge may extend beyond the boundaries of conventional classroom because it's related to the context. So it's out of boundaries of classroom and it's depend upon the situation. So the knowledge is not limited. Here, textual knowledge is limited to text or in the only in written form. And fifth one is it is related to everyday life. Contextual knowledge is every time related to the events and situation, so it's related to everyday life. But textual knowledge is the learning related to specific text or context or a specific period. So after this we come to the fastly come to the some MCQs related to this topic, so you better understand this topics. First one is reading a paragraph for piece for literature is called contextual, textual, absolute and concrete. I know every one of you know about the answer because we already discussed this topic, and the answer is the text, because through the textual knowledge you get the literature and you have the knowledge related to the text. Second one is which knowledge helpful in increasing vocabulary? It's a very simple question because the text give the knowledge and knowledge of vocabulary and the knowledge related to the literature part. So the textual knowledge is the answer of second question. Then we come to the third one. When teachers are able to present information in a way that students are able to construct meaning based upon their own experience, that is considered. Because here this related to the environment is related to the situation of the particular student. So four options are here. First one is the theoretical knowledge, then practical, textual knowledge and contextual knowledge. Here answer of the third question is contextual knowledge, because this question asking about the experience of particular or individual student. So thank you to join this session. Thanks a lot.